Hi guys!
Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Parch Kitchen. Tara na, ating subukan. Ngayon, dito try natin yung kanilang buffet.
Muna sa Parch Kitchen, hindi na available na ng dish. Pagpunta ko ng dishes. Kasi gisalo, fried chicken, kare-kare.
Bilo-bilo.
Bilo-bilo, saging,
Ay,
chicken na pineapple, tilapia.
may tilapia ka, te?
Wala. Chop suey. So yan, halo-halo. Try tilapia lang kasi. Kain pa more, kain. Ano kumain ng maganda? Ano kumain ng maganda? Excellent. Anuin mo pa. Diba? Ano ginagawa ko eh?
Buttercup, baby, just to let me down. You mess me around and then worries about. You never go, baby, when you say you will. I'll never stay.
Find the real me. So let's go. Seize the feeling. 'Cause you know it's time for the meaning. Now we show we're coming and winning. It's me, it's me, it's me. It's real me. It's me, it's me, 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 it's real me.
Murang-mura lang, 160.
Facial and Chowking.
Malapit sa Chowking.
178 only.
Yan, open po ito ng Monday, Saturday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Hey guys, sila po ng mga baby namin. Ano po yan?
Pauwi na kami.